Moment that we have all been waiting for. Time for the new MotoGP World Champion to add his plaque to the Champions Tower. First of all, let's have a look at some highlights from yet another phenomenal season.
Bagnaia has been the top man in this Aston Grand Prix. Dutch TT winner is Pecco Bagnaia. Has this British Grand Prix covered? It's been an absolute classic. Pecco Bagnaia wins at the Red Bull Ring in Spielberg. Here comes Bastianini. Bastianini. Oh, how close was that? In 4 races on the spin. Bagnaia is your winner here in the Malaysian Grand Prix.
A huge round of applause and perhaps more singing for the 2022 MotoGP World Champion, Francesco Pecco Bagnaia. Absolutely stunning performance from the Italian. His first title, recovering that 91 points to Fabio in the championship.
As Mr. Viegas presents Pecco with his World Champions medal, please give a warm welcome, Mr. Carmelo Ezpeleta, Dorna Sports CEO. Mr. Ezpeleta will bring the new plaque to add to the MotoGP World Champions trophy.
Yeah, so if Mr. Ezpeleta, if he could hand the plaque over to Pecco, it's time now for Pecco to add his first plaque to the Champions Tower. Yeah, that's right. Let's see. He got the season amazing, 265 points, 7 victories, those amazing 4 in a row, and World Championship honours. Back to Ducati after 15 years. Ladies and gentlemen, Pecco Bagnaia.